Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set a custom ringtone on your iPhone using music as ringtone on your iPhone. Because I know a lot of iPhone does not really use it. Every iPhone uses the default ringtone, which is somehow not likely because every iPhone just ring at the same ringtone. There's no change. So this time I've brought you in a way tutorial. I've got your back and let you know that there are smart ways to use iPhone to bypass what they think they lock down.
So I got your back. You don't need to spend a dime. All you know is just sit down, watch.
You will understand in a minute. You're gonna know how to. So in this case now, I will say, let me select any one of these on which I would like to use. Let me play this now. Maybe I would like to use this one. So right now, yes, I'm going to convert it to an iPhone ringtone. Okay, so if you are with me, just double click and select info, some info. Then you come to option. So in this option, you just tick if you want the music to start from the very beginning. If you feel it's interesting for you to receive your call, so just click here, tick start with O. Then you have to tick, then click all here and wipe all this numeric. All you do is just insert 0 colon and 30. So you can see this 30 means this is where the music will stop as a ringtone, and iPhone does not allow anything longer than 30 seconds. So this is just 30 seconds, 0.30. So you tick it, that means the songs will end here while ringing as ringtone. So I will now click OK. And it's okay, and this is the song. Then you do now is you come here, you click file. In this file, you're going to see convert. In this convert, you can see, scroll down here, convert to EAC version. So wait to see, this is it. Okay, what I'm going to do now is first just double click to open. Okay, show in album library. Then you have to show in Windows Explorer. Click here. Okay, this is the song. Right click, or you just double click and try to rename it like this. Let me show you. Double click, then you scroll down. This is Windows 11. In Windows 10 you will find rename. So I will now rename it. In this extension you see M4A, then you have to remove A and insert arrow, then click enter. So this song now, what I will do is copy it or drag it to the window where I will be able to find it. First I have to copy it. This is Windows 11 copy, because I have to go to iPhone. In iPhone, what I do is supposed to drag it to desktop. Although here's the iPhone and the tone, here's iPhone tone. So I will try to paste it here. So you see it has arrived. Now I will go to my iPhone to find this one.